Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Tutorials with Sarah. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and also leave a like and comment if you like my videos. Also let me know which country you're watching from and what kind of crochet projects do you like. In this video, I will teach you a very easy pattern to make a chain of heart-shaped leaves. This pattern can also be used to make a very pretty headband, and you can of course add a few flowers on the top. So let's start. For this project, I am using a green acrylic yarn along with a 5mm hook. So let's first make a slip knot and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the very first chain stitch, we will make 2 unfinished double crochets. 1 and this is 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. We will pull through all 3 and chain 3. Chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Now look carefully. We are going to be working in this middle strand. This is where we will work our first unfinished double crochet, and we will make 5 more. So we will be making a total of 6 unfinished double crochets in this middle strand, just like that. This is 4. This is 5 and here is the 6th. We have a total of 7 loops on the hook. Pull through 1 and now pull through 2 for all the remaining loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Remove the hook, turn around your work, put the hook inside again. Now that we have completed half of our leaf, we will make the other half in this particular stitch. So continue to make these 6 unfinished double crochets in this strand. This is the 2nd, 3rd unfinished double crochet. This is the 4th, the 5th one, and this is the 6th. And we will have a total of 7 loops on the hook. Pull through 1 for the first one and then pull through 2 for all the remaining loops. We will pull through until we have 2 loops remaining on the hook. There you go. And this is our first leaf. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn around your work. Now make a slip stitch in this first unfinished double crochet. There's our slip stitch. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are making a base for our second leaf now. Take a loop, insert hook in this strand, pull through 2. These are 2 unfinished double crochets like our first leaf. Pull through all 3 and now chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now watch carefully. Turn the leaf around and look at these 3 strands. This is where we will be making our first half of the second leaf. So now make 6 unfinished double crochets in this stitch. This is the second one, this is the third one. We will make 6 unfinished double crochets just like we did in the first leaf. So here we have 5 unfinished double crochets and we will make the last. This is the last unfinished double crochet. Now with 6 unfinished double crochets, we have a total of 7 loops on the hook. So pull through 1, then keep pulling through 2 loops for all the remaining loops until you have 2 remaining on the hook. Now we will remove the hook and turn around our work. Insert the hook back. Now we will make the other half of our leaf. Insert the hook in this particular strand and make 6 more unfinished double crochets and continue to work just like we did on the other side of the leaf. If you want to get a better understanding of these basic crochet stitches, you can watch one of my previous videos on this topic, and I will leave a link in the description below. After finishing this side of the leaf, we will have a chain of 2 leaves, and we can continue to make it as long as we like. I will be making a chain of 8 leaves in this tutorial, but you can of course continue as long as your project requires. You can make a headband or any other decorative wall project. Now pull through all 3 and let's stop and look at the work. This is a chain of 2 heart-shaped leaves. Now you can continue on your own and meet me at the end of this video. I will finish my project here. So to finish, I will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and attach it to this first unfinished double crochet over here with a slip stitch, just like that. With another slip stitch, I will tighten the yarn and end my project. So this is the final chain. You can continue to make it as long as you desire, and please don't forget to share it with me. You can watch one of my videos to learn how to make these pretty little flowers to add to your headband project. And if you like my video, please do not forget to like and leave a comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.